नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Production and Operations Management. Now, today's session topic is job production. In this session, I covered these topics. First is what is production system, types of production system. In this, basically there are four types of production systems. First is job production, batch production, mass production, and the process production. In my previous session, I already told you about production systems and the type of production system. And the types of production system, as I told you in my previous video, I will discuss in my next lectures. Okay, so in this lecture, I am talking about the job production. Now, those who have not attended or not watched my previous video, so I am just giving you in brief about the production and production system, so that they are able to learn easily in this video what I am going to teach. Okay. So, what is production means? Production can be explained as an act of either manufacturing or mining or growing of goods, generally in bulk for trade. So, the production is a method employed for making or providing essential goods and services for customers. And you can say it is a process that puts tangible inputs like ideas, creative research, knowledge, wisdom, etc. in use of action. It is a way that transforms tangible inputs into raw materials, or you can say semi-finished goods and unassembled goods into finished goods and commodities. Now come to what is production. Production system may be defined as the methods, procedures, or arrangements which includes all functions required to accumulate the inputs, process or reprocess the inputs, and deliver the marketable outputs in form of goods, you can say. Now, the meaning of production. The basically production system consists of three main components like inputs, conversion process, and output. Now here I start this session. Types of production systems, where there are basically four types of production systems. First is the job production system. In this I am describing about the job production. Okay, so what is job production? This type of production system is concerned with making a usually high-priced product to an order which is not likely to be repeated. That is a one-off job. Okay, so this calls for skilled workers who can be flexible in adapting their skills to producing just what the customer requires. Okay, so a crucial consideration in job production is the fact that nearly all the production costs fall to the one job, since they cannot be spread over a long run of production. The fixing of a correct selling price is very important. Now, example of job production. And this you can say designing and implementing an advertising campaign, auditing the accounts of a large public limited company, building a new factory, installing machinery in a factory. These all are the examples of job production. Now come to the advantages. First is product usually high quality. Okay. Produces meets individual customer needs. And the third is greater job satisfaction, which involved in all stages of production. because as the name focus on the specific word job production means it focuses on the of course quality. Okay, now there are also some disadvantages of job production. Cost of producing one unit or job is higher, because if you maintain the quality you have to pay for that quality, right? So labor is intensive, requires investment in skills and training, because we need quality work, so we need trained and skilled persons for this job. So this is all about job production, and this is a question for practice. What do you mean by job production? Thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.